Hey, what's up guys? Jack from SnapSolar. Today we're out with one of our customers in Morani, where we've been working on a project out on his farm. Now the system's been installed on the customer shed roof, where we've used our brand new Aiko with the ABC cell technology. The system looks exceptional, guys. Look at that system. All black racking, all black cells, and the ABC technology allowing the customer to extract every bit of sun, every bit of energy from his roof. I'm joined with Addison, who's going to run us through some of the work that's been done on site. How are you, Addy?
Hey, Jack. Thanks, mate. So as you can see here in front, we've got two inverters, that total of 30 kilowatt power right there. We've got 46 kilowatts worth of solar up on the roof. We've got a 25 kilowatt hour battery.
This is the new SBH battery, right?
It is. It's the new, brand new high voltage, high current battery. So 25 kilowatt hours there. He's got a whole home backup with this system. So his shed and whole home is all backed up in case of a blackout. We've also given him an upgrade to an industrial size board. And now this is for his future expansion work that will sort of take place. That gives us a lot of room to work with and with a lot of ease.
So the client predominantly went with solar and storage due to the location of the property and experiences of blackouts and things that are a common occurrence here. In particular, the client had stated 6 times just this year. So what sort of backup loads can we expect to deliver with a system this size?
Yes, so this 25 kilowatt 3-phase inverter, he's going to be roughly 40 amps per phase. Now with the grid connected, those backup loads can get up to 63 amps per phase. Like I said, in off-grid mode, that's in blackout mode, he's got 40 amps per phase. So that's more than enough for your average household.
So that's all automatic backup blackout protection. So this home will flick over in grid loss situation. The home is within 0.05 of a second changeover. Literally your lights will flicker and this home will be running on backup. That's backup pumping, so for the household using water for pumping toilets, for toilets, tapware, drinking water and irrigation, all automatic backup. And that means if the client's working away, mum's at home with the kids, there's no inconvenience of having to start generators or calling the client and having him come back to try and get the power going. So it's a convenient solution for our rural customers, and as you can see, a very neat solution. Battery technology has really come a long way, where 40 amps per phase is achievable with HVM technology. So definitely something for you guys that are living in areas that experience blackouts or brown outages, or you just want the convenience of automatic backup. Definitely Sungrow SBH is a great option. So Addison, thank you mate. Love your work, mate. If you want the best in the business, SnapSolar installers, I tell you. Addy, beautiful work, mate. Well done.